importance behind having EAs in our school division and within our schools is because those are the people that are working one-on-one or with small groups helping with little interventions. They're the ones that are helping students that maybe they can't hold their pencil properly, and they're the person that's helping them teach so that the teacher can facilitate the learning to even more students. When we grow up and we're 30 or 40 years down the road and we've been sitting at the table and we're talking about a person that impacted our life, we have no idea that impact that we can make, whether we're a teacher or an EA. And to be that person that someone talks about later in life, like I couldn't hold my pencil and this person taught me. I had a really hard time in elementary school. I had a really hard time in middle school, but this person helped me, and it could be, Miss Sally came along and she was that person that I connected to and made me believe in myself.
My name is Morgan Day, and I am the principal at Gilbert Patterson Middle School here in Lethbridge School Division. We love our educational assistants. They're flexible, their jobs are never boring, they're constantly problem solving to figure out how to support kids. They get to know our students really, really well, which we always appreciate, and we lean on them when we need to help problem solve or think of a new solution for students.
Hi, my name is Colleen Hamilton and I teach here at Park Meadows School. I'm actually the teacher for a specialized program in the division called Parker's Place. And our EAs are super critical to running a successful program here at school. Our educational assistants are such a vital part of our community, and honestly, the more the merrier. If we can have people who have a big heart, a great sense of humor, who are willing to come in and have a good time with our kids, this is the right place for you.